Are home prices in the Lowcountry finally coming down? Or is 2026 going to be another year where buyers feel squeezed and sellers hold all the cards?
We've been getting that question nonstop. So today, we're breaking it down exactly what happened in 2025 and what you should expect as we head into 2026 here in Bluffton, Hilton Head, and the Lowcountry.
I'm Margi.
I'm Alyssa,
And we help buyers and sellers navigate this market.
with real data and straight answers.
If you're thinking about buying or selling in 2026, watch this before you make a move.
Let's start with the recap. 2025 was the year our market finally normalized. Not a crash, not a frenzy, just a shift back to reality.
Here's what that looked like. Prices eased slightly, not dramatically. In Bluffton, the average sale price softened just a bit. On Hilton Head, we saw prices settle in the mid to upper ranges, but not fall off a cliff. We're still far above pre-COVID values.
Days on market increased. Homes weren't selling in 24 hours anymore. Most listings took several weeks, sometimes a couple of months, to find the right buyer. That gave buyers more breathing room and forced sellers to be more intentional with pricing and condition.
Buyers gained some leverage back. Multiple offers didn't disappear, but they definitely weren't the standard. Sellers had to negotiate again, and they had to earn their price through presentation and strategy.
Luxury and top-tier communities stayed strong. Places like Palmetto Bluff, Sea Pines, Hampton Lake, and waterfront or gated properties continued to attract serious buyers. Quality, location, and lifestyle still command a premium.
Here's what we hear every single day from buyers heading into 2026. Are prices going to drop more? Should I wait for interest rates to fall? Is it still worth paying for a premium community? What about insurance, taxes, and long-term value?
And from sellers, the questions sound like this. Did I miss the peak? Do I need to update before I list? How long will my home take to sell? If I sell, can I even afford to buy something else here?
Everyone is trying to time the market, but the reality is this: we're moving into a more balanced, more predictable environment. And honestly, that's healthier for everyone.
Let's talk about what the experts and our boots on the ground experience say is coming in 2026. National forecasts point to mortgage rates hovering over the mid-sixes, slight increase in home prices overall, more inventory than we've had in years, and a modest bump in home sales as buyers re-enter the market. It's not a boom or a crash, it's a slow, steady in normalization.
Now zoom into South Carolina and the Lowcountry. We're still one of the most desirable relocation markets in the country. People are moving here for lifestyle, weather, taxes, and quality of life. And land is limited, especially near the coast. So long-term demand remains strong. Here's what that means locally. Prices should move mostly sideways or rise modestly, with the strongest growth in prime communities and updated homes. Inventory will stay higher than it was during the frenzy years, but nowhere near high enough to cause big price drops. And days on market will land in the 60 to 90 day range, with well-priced, well-presented homes selling faster and overpriced homes sitting.
Luxury continues to be its own category. Waterfront, golf, A-plus locations remain strong. These buyers are less rate sensitive and more lifestyle driven. The best homes in the best areas will still attract fast competitive interest.
If you're a buyer heading into 2026 waiting for a 3% interest rate, it isn't happening. Focus on the right home and the right payment. You have more room to negotiate, you have more options, and you can actually take your time, something that hasn't been true in years.
If you're a seller in 2026, pricing and presentation matter more than ever. You need to launch strong on day one. Staging, photography, and strategic pricing are the difference between selling in 30 days and sitting for 3 months. And if you're selling to buy within the area, this balanced market may actually benefit you.
So here's the bottom line. 2025 brought our market back to reality, and 2026 is shaping up to be a year of opportunity for anyone who's realistic about price, condition, and timing.
If you're thinking about buying or selling in 2026 and what a hyper-local snapshot of your neighborhood or community, reach out to us. We'll walk you through the numbers and build a smart plan for your year ahead.
Don't rely on national headlines. Rely on agents who study this market every single day, like us, and know what's really happening in the Lowcountry.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.